Nice bike from Custom Cruisers. You've got a 08 or 07 actually, 07 up softail. You want to expand the tyre, okay, fit a nice big 240 on the back, 250. This is the way to do it. If you got an 08 up bike, this is very easy to do, okay. You basically, all you're going to do is put this reverse pulley on, so this pulley will stick out more than the original, and you're going to space the primary using this thing, bolt your primary back on, put your swinging arm in, put your new belt on, okay. Put these things go in the spacers for here, and obviously you got more spacers, more kit here. These are your little chrome covers for here, okay, and you can see here, cracking bit of kit. Now, if you're interested in any of this stuff, we also do 300 kits. This one here is a 250. We've got a single-sided billet kit as well. But the swinging arm, very well made, as you can see. Top quality black powder coated. And the fender is obviously proper steel. This is from Custom Chrome. Very well made fender. This is your splash guards. So the splash guard's going to go on the front. And you can see here a full list of all the kit. You get a brand new spindle. You get brand new bolts, brand new bits. They're the chrome things to go on here. You can see here the washers and spacers, they're going to go in there. And obviously you're going to change the swinging arm bearings if you've got any sense. You little chain guard or belt guard, whatever you want to call it. And all the new bolts to put them on. Say 2 struts, obviously 1 for each side, and that's going to hold your fender on. Internally, this thing has got the wiring ducts built in. Okay, so inside there where these spot welds are, there's wiring hole tubes for all that stuff to go in. If you're interested in these great kits, give us a call. It's 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.